gather around. If you can't see, I know it's small. I apologize for that. We are currently in this objective here. So 1, 2, and then there's a third one we haven't been able to find yet. These are the ones we hold. So we've pushed the Americans back. They're licking their wounds over there. We are now going on the offensive to push them out of the fucking AO entirely. Americans have 2 known posts at this location and this location. They have a third post somewhere that we do not know the location of yet. Our mission is to seize the 3 posts. Once those 3 positions are captured, we must hold them. Those positions can be attacked. However, we can respawn at them. Okay. So once they're in our possession, they are a respawn. However, they're counter-attackable. Set. Okay, Veer, move. Veer, go. Quick. Moving.
I am the ghost.
Veer, peel off. Slowly for us. Okay, coming up. Set. You gotta think twice before you react. So stay a little while, cause the Papa's not kept is the road to hell. You guys see anything? Where about? You'll never be great without taking a chance. So wait, you waited too long, had your hands in your pocket when you should have been gone. One push is all you'll need. Nice change. Force Recon! Extended line, bound forward! Guys, push! Move! Covering fire and bound forward! Move! Move! Covering fire, move! Set! Fire, move! Move up! I got contact to the north. Okay. Okay, go. Move. Move up, move up. Contact, by 12. Moving up, moving up. Moving.
Every night of my life, I watch angels fall from the sky.
Set. Here, got it by left, got it by left. By 11 o'clock, no eyes, no eyes. Got him!
I'm on the front line, don't worry, I'll be fine. The story's just beginning. goodbye to my weakness, so long to regret.
All right, stop lollygagging. Push out all around the fence.